Today we're going to show you how to prune this syngonium or any plant in general. Well, I have to prune this syngonium. It's grown so large and we don't have space for it anymore. So this is the tutorial. So I'll grab this branch. This is why you prune, because it grows so big and long. So I would just cut it here. And this is your cutting. The good sides about pruning, you can remove as much dead leaves and you can inspection the whole plant. And also, like, you can also see if there's dead branches. You can remove dead branches so your plant will look better, and it can, well, one of the good things about pruning is you can prevent bacteria and viruses infecting your plants. So the bad thing is you're just gonna make your plants look smaller, but it will grow again after a few weeks. Just cut this one. Well, don't worry about cutting the roots because the plant will just be fine. And one of the techniques about pruning is whenever you see a new branch coming up, you cut directly below it. So maybe here. So this part will take over. I will cut this branch because there's another one growing here. But I'm thinking about cutting this one too because there's two new growths here. So I'll just cut it here. And then I'll cut the root. And this one looks fine. This is the bushy side. So as you can see, it's grown so big. So I'll just snip it here. Don't worry guys, I will not throw away these cuttings. I will be regrowing them. Since this is growing sideways, we have to cut it. And if there are branches touching, you have to remove one of them. Because once they have contact, the virus can go inside and it will kill your whole plant. That has happened to me before, many times. Back to this side. I'll just cut it here because there's like a big space, and it will look it looks much better. Well, this is the second part of pruning. Removing the leaves that touch the floor or any surface. These go in the compost. If they're like this, so compact inside, you can cut some of them, but these are for the plants that you can grow from cuttings, like philodendron and monstera. I won't cut this one because it's growing at the top. And these are just peelings. Check here. Now for the final step, cutting and getting rid of dead leaves and dead branches. So far I don't really see dead branches. I only see dead leaves. So I'll cut this one. It's touched the surface and it's very dirty now. Compost. If you see some patches of yellow like this, sometimes it's a virus, so I just recommend cutting it off. And don't put it in the compost. It will infect your whole plant. So you can see this one is yellowing because it's dead. That goes in the compost. If you see some burnt patches like this, you can just get rid of the brown. It may have burned in the heat, but if you know if your plant is sick, please do not put it in the compost. Guys, please do not put infected leaves or leaves with pests or anything in your compost bin or even at the base of your plants because they will spread.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment and share this video, and follow our Instagram at pootsplants. And check out our Gardening 101 playlist here.